Well, this is the Rambling Rambler at home today, but what I wanted to do now is quickly go over what needs to be done if one of your hobs won't light on your cooker. I've taken off the pan rests, and my wife said that this little beggar here wasn't going for weeks. Of course, what had happened, I'll show you in a moment. Of course, this comes apart like this, and if you press the spark there now, you can see the spark goes down to that metal piece. If you now put this piece back on the top here and you push the spark, it goes down to the edge of that. What it should be doing is actually going onto the underside of this, and you can see the spark erosion on there. Look, those little indents. Well, after a while they get rusty, and when there's quite a few of them, you can see on there at the right angle that there's lots of little holes. I tried all sorts. I took this off and I cleared the hole out down there where the gas comes in. I couldn't get it to go. I cleaned up this piece and wire brushed it, and I thought, I don't know what's going on. Put it back, still didn't go. And then I realised that if I wire brush this, instead of the spark going to the metal piece that's there, the spark goes, I don't know if you can see it, it's a bit difficult to see. What is actually happening is the spark is coming from that little electrode where there's white insulator, just there, and it actually goes up underneath this, and the gas goes through a little slot here, and thus it lights the gas. So now all I've done, what really needed doing was cleaning up the top piece. Now we can turn it and straight away it does it. The only thing that made the difference, not the cleaning out, not the wire brushing of the underpiece, what made the difference was I put a wire brush in my drill, cleaned this piece up, and then it went. Now, I'm not an expert, but this worked for me, and it seems logical that the spark would want to go up to the lid there, up where all the gas is, not downwards. So cleaning the top there, that little cap, that does it. And then we've just got the pan supports to go back on there. Now, in a moment, I'm going to tell you what happens when the spark igniter dies on your oven and grill. Now, I've got it already out, but I'm going to go through a different video showing you how to replace the spark igniter. This is a stoves oven, but there are spark igniters on most modern ovens, so we'll go from there. Thank you for watching.